Buying your first home can feel like a dream, but for many, it's also a nightmare of confusion and overwhelm. What if I told you I could simplify the process, save you thousands of dollars, and set you up for success in just a few steps? Stick around, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact blueprint to buying your dream home, even if it's your first time. Trust me, you don't want to miss step 7. It's where most people lose money. First things first, know your numbers. Your financial health determines everything: how much home you can afford, your mortgage rate, and whether lenders will even consider your application. Your credit score tells lenders how responsible you are with money. A score of 620 is the minimum for most loans, but if you want the best rates, aim for 740 or higher. Imagine your credit score is 650, and you're offered a 6% interest rate. By boosting it to 740, you could drop that to 5%, saving thousands over the life of your loan. Your debt-to-income ratio should be 43% or lower. That means if you earn $5,000 a month, your total debt, including your future mortgage, shouldn't exceed $2,150. Beyond your down payment, you'll need an emergency fund for repairs, especially if you're buying an older home. Saving for a home isn't just about the down payment. You'll also need closing costs, moving expenses, and reserves for surprise repairs. Depending on the loan type, you'll need 3 to 20%. FHA loans require just 3.5%, while conventional loans might need 5 to 20%. Veterans? Good news. You may qualify for a VA loan with zero down. These cover things like inspections, title insurance, and lender fees, averaging 2 to 5% of the home's price. For a $300,000 home, a 10% down payment is $30,000, and closing costs could add another $6,000 to $15,000. That's a lot, but it's manageable if you start saving early. This is where things get real. Pre-approval tells sellers you're serious and gives you a clear budget. Submit your tax returns, pay stubs, and bank statements to a lender. They'll analyze your income and debts to determine how much they'll lend you. If you're pre-approved for $350,000, that doesn't mean you should spend all of it. Consider your comfort zone for monthly payments. Pre-approval letters can also help you win bidding wars, especially in competitive markets. Step 4. Find a great real estate agent. A good agent is like a GPS for your home buying journey. They'll help you find homes, negotiate offers, and avoid rookie mistakes. How to choose the right agent. Look for someone with local knowledge. Ask about their track record with first-time buyers. Read reviews and interview at least 2 to 3 agents. You tell your agent you need a home within 20 minutes of work, with a backyard and space for a home office. They filter out the noise and bring you the best options. Step 5. House hunting like a pro. Here's where the fun starts, but also where many buyers go wrong. Don't just fall for looks. Think about long-term livability. Step breakdown. Make a checklist. Think about your must-haves versus nice-to-haves. Do you need a third bedroom, or would a larger kitchen make more sense? Research neighborhoods. Check school ratings, commute times, and even the noise level at different times of the day. You visit a home with a beautiful kitchen, but realize it's too far from work. Then, you find one in your dream neighborhood that needs minor updates but fits your budget. Always prioritize location. Step 6. Making the offer. When you find the one, it's time to make an offer. Your agent will help you craft a competitive bid based on market trends. In a seller's market, consider offering slightly above asking or waiving contingencies like minor repairs. In a buyer's market, you might negotiate for the seller to cover part of your closing costs. For example, a home listed at $325,000 has multiple offers. Your agent advises offering $330,000 with a 30-day closing. The seller accepts. Step 7. Home inspection and appraisal. Never skip the home inspection. It's your safety net. This is where you uncover potential issues that could cost you later. Hire a licensed inspector to evaluate the roof, foundation, plumbing, and more. Lenders require an appraisal to ensure the home is worth the price. If it's appraised for less than your offer, you may need to renegotiate. For instance, an inspection finds the HVAC needs replacement. You ask the seller to reduce the price by $5,000 and they agree. Problem solved. Step 8. Closing day. This is it, the final step. On closing day, you'll sign the paperwork, pay the final costs, and officially own your home. Bring your ID, cashier's check, and any required documents. Review every document carefully before signing. For example, you pay $12,000 in closing costs, sign the deed, and walk away with the keys to your dream home. Congratulations, you're now a homeowner. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.